In this tutorial, we'll be making the cluster stitch. I'll be using Premier Just Yarn worsted weight from Dollar Tree. You can use any kind of yarn and hook combo that works for you. We need to begin with our slip knot and to chain an even number. I'm going to chain 20 for this sample. To get our first row going, we need to single crochet in the second chain from our hook. So insert the hook, grab the working yarn from behind, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. We need to work another single crochet into the next chain. Then we're going to skip our next chain, so we need to chain one, skip that stitch, and then single crochet into the next stitch. Continue that process of single crocheting, chaining one, and skipping one and single crocheting in the next one, all the way across. I'll meet up with you towards the end of the row. When we get to the end here, you can see that we're going to skip a stitch and then a single crochet stitch, and then we're going to have one more left over, and we're going to do our single crochet stitch so that it matches the beginning of the row where we had 2 single crochets in a row. So I have 2 single crochets on both ends. Now we need to chain 4 and turn our work over. For this row, the first thing we need to do is find our first chain 1 space, which you can see is right here. And this is where we're going to work our first cluster. To form the cluster, we need to yarn over, insert our hook into that chain 1 space, pull up the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. We will be repeating that sequence for a total of 4 times in the same chain 1 space. So this is our second time going into the chain 1 space. Yarn over, insert the hook, bring up the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert our hook into the same chain space, grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, and one last time, yarn over, insert the hook, bring up the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. So we should have 5 loops left on our hook. Now we need to yarn over and pull that through all 5 loops on our hook. Then chain 1 to secure the stitch. Now we'll be doing a cluster stitch in every chain 1 space across this row. I will do the next one for you in slow motion, and after viewing that you can press pause and meet up with me at the end of this row. Yarn over, insert a hook into the chain 1 space, bring up the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1 space, grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook, grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook, grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on your hook, then chain 1. When you get to the end of the row, you'll see here we have 2 stitches left, one that we'll be skipping, and then we will work a double crochet in the last one. Next, we'll chain 1 and flip our work over. Then we are going to single crochet into the first stitch and also single crochet in the chain 1 space. And then chaining 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and then chaining 1, and we'll continue this through the end of the row. When you get to the end, you'll be doing your single crochet in the last chain 1 space, and then we want to do one more single crochet, and that's going to be in our chain from the previous row. We want to count up 3 spaces from the bottom here, and that's where the single crochet will go. Keep repeating the last 2 rows and you can make a scarf or blanket very easily using this stitch. I'm building a library of stitch tutorial videos for you, so be sure to check out the playlist at the end of this video and bookmark it because I'll be adding many more stitches to it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.